Hi everybody. Today I'm going to do the topper that I received from Uniwigs. I'm going to do a update on her so that I can show everybody what I've done with her, how I styled her, how I cut her, and how I am wearing her. So first I want to say that my hair has actually been growing. So it looks a little fuzzy, fluffy, fly away. I have just washed it. I do not have any styling products in it. So my hair literally does dry frizzy. Yeah. So really the only thing I have in it product wise is I put a little bit of this Advanced Techniques Moroccan, I don't know how to pronounce it. Moroccan argan oil. It is argan oil. So yeah, it's from Avon. I'll just put a little pump in my hands, just kind of run it through my hair. My roots are starting to come in, which I'm purposefully doing that because the Claire topper from Uniwigs is a really good match for my hair. However, it has dark roots. So let me go ahead and pull her in here. So I'm gonna tell you what I've done to her, because I know I'm probably gonna get some questions about what I've done. So get my hair out of the way here. So what I've done was I have put her on my styrofoam head, how it would be on my head. So I always wear my hair over to the right. So I put the topper on my lovely model here with the part going to the right, how it's going to sit on my head. Now, this is where I did my styling and my cutting. So I have T-pinned the topper down there, not during, or not in the lace though, because this has the lace top where you can part it. So I have my T-pins like on the side here and on the side over here, and then I have one strategically in the back up here. So this is human Remy hair. I have put layers in it. Mind you, I have a video on layering already, but basically I just cut on an angle down like this, down, and then I strategically kind of go through all the hair going down. I could even probably put a little more right here, just kind of down on an angle. Let's get some. So this helps to thin it and to add layers to it. Now, when I first received this topper, I did wash it. So if you see in the beginning, it's either in the beginning or in the end somewhere, because you know my editing skills are just horrid. I don't edit at all. So, but anyways, yes, I washed her straight out of the box, or after I did the little unboxing, I went straight and I washed her. So this is actually how it dries. It dries with a little bit of a wave, which I feel like is a really good match for the way my hair dries, because my hair dries with a little bit of a wave, even though, like I said, it's frizzy. Being that the topper is going to hang down with my own hair, it is a fairly good blend or match. My hair seems to be just a tad bit more on the orangey gold side than this, but I'm okay with that because I feel like it's still going to be a good blend. So I am going to go ahead and get her unpinned from the styrofoam head, and we will get playing around. So hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, what do you think? I've got the topper on. So in the beginning of the video versus now, I don't know, you may have to want to go back just a little bit. What do you think? It's like you barely can tell the difference, other than the fact that now my hair is super thick, that now I have the topper on, blend it in with my own hair. I did put it back in a clippy, and I will tell you why. Now, the same thing with my other topper, and the same thing with all my wigs. When I say that I cannot get lace to lay down, I'm saying I can't get lace to lay down. It's the truth. I cannot forever, for the life of me, get lace to lay down. So, move in a little bit closer so you can see. So I literally have the topper placed this far back. So the topper is right here. And then what I do is I part the topper, and then I go through my own hair that's in the front, and then there. So the topper does not want to stay over here, so I'm just going to kind of press it down. Some heat. Anyhow, so now I have my own hair completely out in the front, and blend it in with the topper. So I've been wearing, this is how I've been wearing the topper. And it's the same way I've been wearing my other topper, because I cannot take a topper. I see some people put their topper with their topper lace like right along the top here, and they have, you know, right along their hairline, and they have complete success. And maybe they may just take just a little bit of hairs, and it works for them. But I don't know if it's the shape of my head or what, because I got like this egg head shape. My head is like completely egg head. I got one of them like long, small, and then like bigger. I don't know. Egg head. Yeah. Egg head. So even on my wigs, when I have lace, that lace just does not lay down for me. I always have to have it back just a hair and have some of my own front out, because otherwise it's just not going to work. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing with this topper. It's going to be the same thing that I do with the other topper that I received from Uniwigs. So basically what I'm doing is getting my hair and the topper hair, a section of it, and I either put it back in a clip or I pull it back far enough to where I can put it like in a pony. So I just use like one of these little clear plastic stretchies, and you can use any, really any. I have a lot of like, what's going on there? Some alpha going on right there. And they have lots of little different color little bands and stuff, but a little alfalfa man. I don't know what the heck's up with that. Anyway, so there you go. It's a little pony. And that's just basically how I wear my toppers. Now, like I said, my hair is freshly washed, and I have no styling products in it, and the topper is freshly washed, and there's no styling products in my topper either. So, I will use a little bit of this, some Sleek Anti-Frizz from Suave. I'm just going to use just a hair of this. Get a little bit of that in here. The topper can also be, being that it's human Remy hair, you can curl it. So just for demonstration purposes, I will go ahead and curl it. Okay, so This is topper hair. This is my hair. So what I'm going to do is, for making sure that you're getting a really good blend, you want to make sure that when you do use curling iron or flat iron or anything like that, always get some of your own hair and the topper hair, because that's what's going to mesh the two together and make it look as if it's all one. I just like to finger comb my curls. I just kind of separate them and use my fingers. I don't brush my curls. If you brush them, especially with my hair it frizzes real easy. So if I use a brush on it, it's not gonna look good. Okay, so here's my hair and some topper hair. Do the same thing. So I'm just doing this to show you some blending techniques. But other than that, I'm not going to go into great detail curling all my hair. I really like this topper. I think it's a really good blend for me and my hair. And after I've layered it and cut just a little bit of the length off, I think it is perfect for what I need a topper for. Since my hair is growing and it is thickening up a little bit, I think that just this topper adds a lot more oomph to my hair. So overall, I give this topper a 2 thumbs up. I kind of like this one a little bit more than the Hope topper, but I like the Hope topper too. I think the Uniwigs toppers are really good. My personal opinion, I think they're really good. They're very realistic. For someone who can wear them down on their hairline, even though I can't, but for someone who can, there's lots of videos of other ladies out there doing some reviews on the Uniwigs toppers where they may be wearing them down here. But since I can't, this shows you another option. If you have hair that is very similar to the color of topper that you receive or that you buy, it blends perfectly. It really does. Anyways, so there you go. I just wanted to show you what I've done to her, how I'm wearing her, how I'm styling her, how she has held up, and how pleased I am with it. So once again, I will put a link in the box below to the unboxing of this topper, and there will also be some links directly to this topper and directly to the Uniwigs site. And once again, I want to say thank you to Uniwigs for sending this to me. And with that, everybody have a great day. Or a good weekend. It is Saturday, so everyone have a good weekend. Do a quick little spin before I say goodbye. Okay, that's it. Bye, everyone.